Understanding the post-login home screen. After logging into the Welder, the post-login home screen has 6 tabs across the top of the screen. Home will bring you back to this home screen. Auto, Semi-Auto, Manual, and Single will access menus for your selected weld mode. Settings will allow you to control a number of the Welder settings. The System Status window shows the 3-phase power voltages, air pressure, weld temperatures, and daily weld count. On the bottom of the screen are tabs for system updates, the training menu, OEM specifications, help information for the screen you're viewing, and language selection. The persistent screen footer displays the ProSpot logo, which will take you back to the post-login home screen, and access tabs to select the user profile, work order menu, weld log menu, system updates, Wi-Fi menu, welder temperature, and the current time and date menu.